Every breakthrough in technology brings a new hero. And this time, the spotlight falls on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's not just another phone. It's Samsung rewriting the flagship rulebook. The first glimpse came through a CAD drawing shared by Crow, offering an early peek at what engineers envisioned long before polished renders surfaced. The blueprint reveals a refined camera design neatly stacked in a vertical layout. From there, the leaks took an exciting turn. Anoni combined those early sketches with sharp renders and rumored specifications, giving us a more complete picture. At its core, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, making it one of the most powerful smartphones to date. A massive 6.9-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED display promises extreme clarity, brightness, and fluid visuals, raising the bar for Samsung's flagship screens. The real game changer lies in the camera system. A dual-megapixel f1.4 main sensor, paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel 5x periscope zoom, and a 12-megapixel 3S telephoto lens, creates a photography powerhouse. Whether it's wide landscapes or close-up zoom shots, the S26 Ultra aims to deliver professional-grade results in any scenario. Supporting this hardware is a 5000 mAh battery with 60W fast charging, meaning both performance and endurance go hand in hand. Add up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage, and you've got a slim yet robust 7.9mm frame packed with cutting-edge hardware. On the software side, One UI 8.5 is already being tested, bringing features inspired by iOS 26, but with Samsung's unique twist. The highlight is a rumored privacy display. Powered by FlexMagic Pixel technology, this system could restrict viewing angles, making sensitive content visible only to you, perfect for crowded spaces. With added AI-driven privacy modes and custom scheduling, Samsung seems determined to make the smartphone experience smarter, safer, and more personal. In short, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just another upgrade. It's a bold statement that blends design, performance, and innovation into one ultimate flagship.